All right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. First off, happy Thanksgiving to everybody in Canada. It's my first video in about 10 days. I haven't been putting out any pressing or pull-up videos lately because I have been injured. Hurt my left bicep tendon doing single arm hangs. Couldn't do dead hangs for the longest time, but I backed them here this last week. This is my second session in, so 242 pounds. This is my third set at 242. Managed to get 40 seconds here. Earlier this summer, I'd got my shoulder in a really good place after dealing with another bicep tendon injury. The heavy dead hangs got me in a place where I was getting no shoulder pain on pressing. Then I re-aggravated it. I've been trying to get back to dead hangs, but my shoulder kept feeling like it was popping out of the joint a little bit, out of the socket. And then as soon as I would take the weight off, it would slip back in. So it's good now in terms of like the shoulder joints getting more stable. Was able to do 242 with zero issues in terms of it bothering my shoulder. Now this is also only my second session back on barbell bench press. I've been doing really high rep dumbbell presses for the last month. I started just with 30-pound dumbbells and worked my way up to getting 22 reps with 65-pound dumbbells. So it felt like it was okay to start getting back to barbell here. You can see on all these I'm using suicide grip. That way I'm able to turn my wrist just a little bit, get a little bit of more external rotation in my shoulder, which allows me to have less pain at the bottom. So heaviest I went here was a set of 5 at 205 with straight weight. And then I went 205 plus chains for singles. So I had my feet up for the first few sets just because it's easier on my back. But after that, last 5 sets of singles, got my feet down. With my feet down, I felt a little more stable. So what I'm doing is 205 plus, it's about 70 pounds in chain at the top. The reason I'm doing this is obviously with the bicep tendon, hurts up into my shoulder, most painful off my chest. So I'm just reducing the load off my chest and obviously getting a lot more weight at lockout. So got to be around 275 at lockout, and the chains aren't fully deloading at the bottom, so a little over 205 at the bottom. After that, because I'm doing a lighter load at the bottom, I'm doing banded iso holds here. Heavy band doubled over, just 4 sets, and I'm just pushing up into the bar as hard as I can. As soon as I feel like I'm losing power, let it go. I'm really liking the iso presses so far. Allow me to kind of same thing, a little bit lighter right off the chest, but the weight kicks in really fast and really hard. The really nice thing about those is I have to make sure that my wrists are stacked over my elbows. Otherwise the bar just takes off and I lose control of it right away. So great way to work on just making sure everything is stacked and I'm pushing straight up into the bar. All right, and then we're on to pull-ups. So pull-ups the same thing. With my bicep tendon, I had to just move away from pull-ups completely for about a month. So just building back into them. The first set you saw was at 35 pounds. And then I did the next 5 sets at 61.7 pounds. So you see the first set was decently smooth. The next 4 sets, first reps went well. Second reps were all a little bit of a grind to get my chin over the bar. But I'm in a way better place than I thought I'd be after having to take basically a month off pull-ups. I was up to doing sets of 6 doubles with 65 pounds, and then I would throw in singles at 75 and 80 pounds. So I'm not too far off. Just got to get these up to being able to do 6 sets at 61.7. And then I will be well on my way to being back where I was. Good news is bicep tendon is holding up so far through these first 2 sessions of barbell bench press and pull-ups. So we're back on track, making progress. Bicep tendon and shoulder are feeling a little bit better every day. Finished off the workout with just a body weight set of 10 on pull-ups. Actually did a set of 13 earlier in the week. So overall, I'm happy with the starting point on bench and pull-ups. We'll build off of this. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.